In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy a webhook URL in Make so you can connect your automation workflows to any external application. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is log into your Make account. Open your browser, head over to the Make website, and sign in. Once you are in, you will land on your workspace dashboard where all your automation magic lives. From there, move to the left navigation menu and click on Scenarios. This section holds all the automations you have built or are working on. Go ahead and locate the specific scenario that contains the webhook module you want to copy the URL from. You don't need to run the scenario, you just need to open it. Click on the scenario name and give it a moment for the scenario builder to load. This is the visual canvas where your modules are connected like a flowchart. On the canvas, find the webhooks module. It is usually the very first module in your workflow because it listens for incoming data from outside sources. Click directly on that webhook module, and a configuration window will pop up. Take a second to check the webhook name displayed in the webhook field. Make absolutely sure this is the right webhook you want, the one whose URL you need to copy. Now click on the webhook name itself, or use the drop-down menu next to it. This opens up the detailed webhook configuration. Look for the generated webhook URL on this screen. This is your unique endpoint, the specific address that external apps will use to send data into Make. Take a moment to visually confirm that this is the correct URL. Every webhook has its own unique address, so double-checking here saves you headaches later. Once you are sure, click the copy icon. It looks like two overlapping squares, right next to the webhook URL. Make will automatically copy the full URL to your clipboard. If for any reason you don't see a copy button, no problem at all. Simply highlight the entire URL with your mouse, right-click and select Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows, or Command+C on a Mac. To be absolutely sure it copied correctly, open a text editor or a note-taking app and paste the URL in there. If the full address appears, you are good to go. Now you can take that webhook URL and paste it into forms, CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, custom applications, or any API integration that needs to send data into this scenario. Just make sure the full URL was copied without any missing characters. If you made any changes to the settings while you were viewing the webhook, click Save in the Scenario Builder to keep everything locked in. Then, send a test request from the connected application to verify that Make is receiving the data. Check the scenario execution log to confirm the webhook responds correctly. One final but important tip: treat this URL like a private key. Only share it with trusted applications and team members. It is also a good idea to record the webhook URL location and its purpose in your documentation for future reference. And going forward, use clear, descriptive webhook names so you can always identify the correct URL at a glance. You have now successfully copied a webhook URL in Make and know exactly how to use it. Thanks for watching and happy automating!